All right, we're here. And so we're going to talk about Astra CDC. Let's just look at this. So we're going to talk about, or well, we're not really going to talk about, but I'm going to go through and you're going to go with me along on a little bit of a journey here for change data capture and setting up change data capture for things. So what we're going to be doing is I need to go through the demo of this, or really build the demo of this. And then in the process, also write the README and take some screenshots and such for it. So in fact, I need to open up screenshot software. Let's get that right. The README for this, I'm going to spare you. I guess I could write it in up here. Let's write it on. That means I need a place to put it. And right off the gate, what are we doing? So the README is going to potentially live. I'm going to create it in mine. And I'm going to create it in mine first. And then I don't know where this is going to live. Let's create a new repository. Let's call this CDC. Let's call this Astra CDC. So everybody can see it. That's fine. No get ignore. Don't care about a license. Okay. Huh? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Let's just, whatever. We're going to work right out of here. This is going to be awesome. So what I got to do here is create some steps for connecting or using oh my gosh, gonna be one of those kind of days. Steps, say very basic, simplistic, bare minimum example. And my spelling's going to have to be worked out. All right, so the first, I wonder if I can't attach files by dragging and dropping. Okay. So this is actually probably going to work out pretty well. So the first is going to be to create an Astra account. So that is going to be this. And I got to make sure that I take the same size screenshot for everything, which means I need to go just screenshots are always a challenge. All right, let's do that. And then with that, can I drag and drop that in here? No. Can I paste it in here? Yes. Oh, and now I got to work on my markdown. Okay, so that's not bad. And then the next is I want this thing to automatically figure out. How is that? You got to get that there. That's it. So can I go one below? Is that what it is for markdown? Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to get the the numbering, right? So number 1, number 2 in the list here, but I don't necessarily want to have to keep all the numbers in sync. I just let Markdown do that for me. It's a nice little hack there, feature. Okay. So first we have to have an account. I'm going to log in with my account, and that's going to take me into here. They don't have dark mode, do they? In Astra, I don't think so. Okay. So I need to clear some of this stuff out before I start taking screenshots. Can I terminate? Business data. Okay. Terminate. How do I? So in the streaming, I can't get to the tenant, and I can't delete that. So I guess I can delete the topic. Oh, it's because it's default. Huh. That's interesting the way they lay that out there. Okay. Oh, pardon me a minute. I've got to. Sorry, I'm copying the links into Slack for some of my colleagues to see what's going on. Okay, so this is terminating. This is this? I have the default namespace. Okay, and you can't touch that. I don't have any sync sources. I don't have any of this set up. Structure actually cannot be undone. Oh. Huh. It's so... Okay. So you got to go into the tenant and you got to delete from here. All right, so those things have to be removed. Why is that terminating take so long? Okay, so the gist of what we're going to do here, let me just kind of sketch out the actions here. We're going to create 2 databases. First is going to be is for business data. First is for holding business data. Second is for holding CDC messages. Now, I've got a lot of thoughts going on right now because there are, you have those two databases. I have to create the database and then I have to give it a schema. And I'm pretty sure I'm not really sure how this is going to go down. Okay, I'm really going to discover this along the way. Okay, first let's create a database. So we're going to name this business data key spaces. Different data models for each key space restore unique data in unique key spaces. Multiple key spaces within a single region allows for an application built add key space into the name of the new key space. What is a standard key space? That's my question. Key space in the Cassandra is a namespace that defines data replication on nodes. A cluster contains one key space per node. Key space name with replication. What's the difference between a database name and a key space name? Stores your group of tables. So in my world, I would name this DBO. If the database I don't know if that's going to work or not. But that my world, coming from relational databases, that's how that is. Okay, so when we create this database, key space name DBO, so we're going to have to put this inside a, what can I get to here? I don't think I can get to any of these. None of these are unlocked. All right, North America, Monk's Corner. So this is US East 1. But upgrade to pay-as-you-go. Tell us more about your project. Okay. You can access 25 regions across. All right, I don't necessarily want to do that. My problem is I need to make sure that I'm using the right, a compatible region. Okay, stop that. Let's go over and create a tenant. Aha, see, US East 4. In GCP, I can only use US East 4, US Central 1, or Europe West 1. Let's compare these two. Can I open this up? No. Okay, so just to help myself remember, we're going to do that. We're going to do that. And what did I just do? Oh my gosh. Okay. And then we're going to do that. I just took a screenshot of it so I can see, I can remember. So I guess with the streaming tenant, you can go to any one of these because I'm using my credit. But, okay. Over here, so I need US East 4. I need US Central 1. Europe West 1. What is that? What region is that? Oh. Europe West 1. Okay, so I can use Belgium. I can use GCP Belgium, and I should be okay for regions. So this business data. Okay, so let me explain this again. From previous experience, I know that if I'm going to create in Astra, if I'm going to create a DB and a stream, and I want the two to talk to one another, they have to be in the same region. And that's what I'm trying to figure out here is, but I'm on a free account. I'm on the free plan. So what regions match between the two that are on the free plan? And it looks like Europe West 1 is my winner for that. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that. Then we're going to take a full page screenshot of that. We're going to copy the image and let's put this in here. So it's going to go over one and upload. Okay, does that look okay? Oh, oh gosh. Oh, I'm going to do that a lot. Oh, I think I'm asking a lot of markdown here. A, B, and then I lose by 1. Huh. Okay. There's the right spacing. The first database is for holding business data. And so there's my screenshot. I can go back and break these values out. Europe West 1. Right. Okay, I'm good there. Let's create that. I had the strange feeling that calling the key space name DBO is going to offend some Cassandra purists. I have a strange feeling about that. Okay, and then this is going to be called CDC data. I'm still going to be DBO for this. We're still going to go use Europe West 1 in GCP, CDC data. Okay. Let's take a shot of that. Copy that and put it right there. Okay. Created two databases. Okay, let's just do the two databases right now. I'm not going to try to get into the schemas. All right, go ahead and do that. Then while those are going, we're going to create, let's see, we're going to add a schema to these. I need a table. Well, let's create a streaming tenant, I guess, while that's going. Create two, wait a minute. Create two serverless databases. Create two serverless databases. Create a streaming tenant. And we're going to say that this is I'm going to call this change data, right? Because we called business data, CDC data, business change data. And here's the key point, Europe West 1. So let's do a full page of that. Copy that. What's it here? Can I do that? Can I say AA up there and it'll figure that out? 1, 2. No, but wonder if my spacing isn't right. No. All right. Okay. And so let's very short. Let's create the streaming tenant. Okay. So now there's some Pulsar concepts that you may or may not know, and that is Pulsar has, I guess, kind of like the Cassandra thing. It has different. It has a hierarchy, I guess, of model. Is the right way to put that. And so you have a tenant in Pulsar, which is Astra Streaming. Then you have a namespace, and then you have a topic in there. And so we created the tenant business change data. You know what? I want to name this. I don't want to name this. wonder if I name this change data capture. Nah, okay, I'll leave it at that. Now, it automatically created a default namespace. And it also, but it did not create a topic. So let's see what this quick start does. Create a topic. Create partition or partition topics to the default namespace. Okay. So we are going to add a topic. And we will make it non-persistent. I don't know if they support that. See, my naming here needs to add up though, right? Because when you look at this as a demo, you need to be able to distinguish what the things are by just the name of them, to just be really obvious. I'm going to go take a break real quick. I will be right back.